if we're all person-centered and work as teams, then can we make a better world?
We're going on a medical brigade on spring break. We're going to go triage patients, but then give them education that can help them be healthy for the long term. We got a donation from a local parish that donated a lot of school supplies and other kind of crafting supplies for school-aged children.
So the first time we went, we had 9 students who went with us. In 5 days, we cared for 400 people. And the students came back and said, "Anne, I knew we were privileged. I had no idea to what extent."
It's not about being a savior and going in to save a community. It's more so about providing people with tools needed to be successful. Going into communities that don't have the same resources that we do here in America is going to really help me gain some perspective and probably more inspired to keep doing this kind of work through my career, through organizations like Global Brigades.
I got to give these guys credit in that they don't just go to Panama, they actually do this work in our community. So I think it's building our future and building our future community members that are going to be leaders.